Hello students, in this episode of Introduction to the Graphs, we will be learning about locating the point on the graph. Consider the following situation. We are all familiar with the chessboard, which consists of 64 squares, that is 8 rows and 8 columns arranged in a 8 cross 8 grid. The squares are colored alternatively with black and white. Let us place a queen on the chessboard. Now the question is, can you tell where exactly I have placed the queen on the chessboard? You may be thinking that it is placed on white square of the board, but will this answer justify the exact position of the queen on the board? No, because there are several white squares on the board. Some of you may come with an answer saying, we should count the number of boxes from the left edge or right edge, so that queen is in the fourth box from the left edge of the board, as there are 8 boxes which are fourth box from the left. However, we are thinking in a right way. Now we can count the number of boxes from the bottom edge too. Then the queen is in the 6th box from the bottom edge. Again, there are 8 choices for me, but if I have both the informations, that is 4th box from the left and 6th from the bottom, then I have only one position for queen. Thus the position of the queen is determined. Thus the understanding is that to determine the position of the queen on the chessboard, we require both the numbers, that is 1 for the left and 1 more from the down. Let us denote the position of the queen by 4, 6. Now the next question is that whether the point 4, 6 and 6, 4 are the same or different. As we can see, the position for 4, 6 and 6, 4 of a queen are different. Therefore, the points 4, 6 and 6, 4 are different. The same idea of locating a queen on the chessboard can be extended to locate a point on a graph also. That is, now let us consider a graph which is an xy plane. Consider any point on the plane. The term used here is coordinates of a point, that is 4, 6 is a coordinate of a point P and 6, 4 is the coordinate of Q. Let us see some more examples of this. A point S whose coordinate is 1, 2, as it is 1 unit from the left and 2 units from the down. Point T whose coordinate is 4, 7, as it is 4 units from the left and 7 units from the down, and so on. The idea can be extended to negative axis also, like the point P dash with the coordinate -1, 3 and the point S dash with the coordinates 5, -4, the point T dash with the coordinate -1, -2. Also, you can name a point on a x axis and its coordinates in a same way, like any point on the x axis is with the coordinate x, 0, that is, if I choose a point A on the x axis to be like this, its coordinate is 2, 0. Similarly, on the y axis, if I choose a point B whose coordinate can be 0, 3, this way you can extend the idea of location of a point on the plane. In this episode of graphs, we have learnt to locate the point in terms of coordinates. Thank you. Have a nice day.